Hello wonderful all-star spacers, and welcome to our unboxing and first impressions of the Tab S7 Plus. We ordered it, we paid for it, and it arrived on our doorstep today. This is the final version of the Tab S7 Plus, and if you have ordered it, this is the version with the software complete that you will be receiving. There are some reviews on there on pre-production units. As with all the devices, we are putting it through our rigorous testing routine. We also have on order the Tab S7, so if you're not sure whether you need the Tab S7 Plus or the Tab S7, make sure you like and subscribe to see that comparison video and advice on which is best for you. And just in case you are not 100% sold yet, we are going to put it against the Tab S6, the iPad Pro. You get the idea.
I am who I wanna be. I like me for me. I'ma be what I'ma be.
So here we go, guys. What comes in the box for the Tab S7 Plus 5G? Yes, it comes in a nice sleeve, the Tab S7 itself. We then will see the pen, and we all love the pen is included. And then the charging brick, of course, and then you will see that cable that goes in there, USB to USB-C. And then we have that SIM card removal tool, as well as some documentation. And then let me unsleeve the Tab S7 Plus here. Summer loving. I have to say, I'm absolutely blown away by the build quality. The Mystic Black is awesome here, and I wish I could display this somehow better. I have a 5K camera. You have to take my word for this. But let me summarize what comes in the box.
Out here with the squad, everybody trying to go, yeah, the party.
As for the S Pen, it will attach magnetically to the back here. It's similar to the Tab S6, pretty much the same concept really, but you can also put it on top or on the side. It will also magnetically attach, it just won't charge there. Let's have another quick look around. You have your power on and off button, you have your volume rocker, you have your SD card slot and SIM card tray, and yes, I have 5G available, so I put in a SIM card. Hopefully you can see that here. 5G is present on my Tab S7 Plus, which is pretty cool. Then you have your USB-C charger, your speakers, and then your keyboard connectors. You can see you have 3 pins there and speakers again. And on this angle here, I just wanted to show you the camera bump, which I think it's really acceptable. As for the setup, it is pretty straightforward, probably not the first time you're doing this, and there are no issues. I opted in for the fingerprint sensor, kind of old school, I like that. One UI 2.5, Android 10 is installed, and now the juicy bits here. I had to check the 120 Hz screen. Yes, it is enabled, and you know what, this is the first thing I needed to do. I need to check the screen. I really wanted to see how the Tab S7 Plus display holds up to the Tab S6, which is here on the bottom, the smaller one. You can see as kind of a size comparison already, but this is 8K footage, guys, and I wish I could display this better again, but it is pretty punchy. I have to say, I felt that the Tab S7 Plus is more fluid. The Tab S6 was kind of not really choppy, but you could tell a difference, and I'm pretty excited about that. I'm trying to showcase this in a different angle here. This is a Tab S7 Plus and Asphalt 9, and you know what, it is fluid and crisp, and I don't know, what can I say, stunning. I didn't want to stop here. I wanted to see how an LCD screen holds up to the Tab S7 Plus screen, and I brought the Tab S6 Lite into the game. Left hand side Tab S6 Lite, right hand side Tab S6, top is Tab S7 Plus. You can see already the size difference, but I have to say the Tab S7 Plus screen is really crisp, fluid, and knocks it all out of the park. The Tab S6 Lite, you can see it darker. It's not as vibrant as you would expect. Of course, it's a huge difference, but already you can tell that the Tab S7 Plus has an advantage to the Tab S6 in my eyes. Hopefully you guys can see that, and I guess you're gonna have to take my word for that. I also wanted to look at the new S Pen that comes with the Tab S7 Plus. You can see here I'm doing a comparison with the Tab S6 Lite S Pen. On the left hand side is the Tab S6 Lite. I bet you can't see a difference because they are almost alike. It's almost a copy of the Tab S6 Lite, and that's a good thing because writing with that is an amazing experience. And here you can see the Tab S6, the original pen. I've never been a fan of that, so I'm glad that the new pen incorporated really the good stuff of the Tab S6 Lite pen and more. Note taking with the Tab S7 Plus and the new S Pen was a pleasure. There was no noticeable lag whatsoever, and you know what, we're going to test it. We're going to do an in-depth testing with all the devices we have, and I guess my guess is the Tab S7 Plus is going to come out on top with the new S Pen. I just have a feeling.
You made it this far, All-Star Spacers. Thank you so much. And as a reward, here is a sneak peek of our full review of the Tab S7 Plus, including Geekbench scores.
And here's a sneak peek for our full detailed in-depth review for the Tab S7 Plus Geekbench 5. And you can see that single core and multi-core is slightly higher on the Tab S7 Plus, so we have a small improvement here. Where we have a bigger improvement is for sure on OpenCL and Vulkan, which means the graphics are way better than in the Tab S6.
Scrolling through the phone on a Sunday, just hanging around with nothing to do. Summer, loving, give me something. I'm about to lose my mind.
We have a whole lineup of videos for the Tab S7 Plus and the Tab S7. If there's anything that you want to know, make sure you put it in the comments below and we can include it and you in our next videos. Peace out.
Am I feeling free? The dolphin in the sea, rolling in the waves, flirting with the breeze. Got my sunny shade.